Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make fruit salad cake, full guide. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F, prepare your pan, measure ingredients, and drain the fruit salad thoroughly before folding it into the batter to keep texture balanced. Mix just until combined to avoid toughness, then bake and cool properly. I'll guide you through ingredient swaps, frosting choices, and plating tips so your cake looks and tastes inviting. Start by assembling ingredients on the counter so you can work smoothly and confidently. Use 2 cups flour, 1 cup sugar, 3 eggs, 1 cup milk, and 1/2 cup oil or butter for a moist crumb. Drain the 20-ounce fruit salad well and keep 1/4 cup syrup if you want extra moisture adjustments. I'll explain simple swaps for lower sugar or dairy-free versions and how to scale the recipe for different pan sizes. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money. The Simple Path to Wealth is an easy, thoughtful read I enjoy referencing while baking. I'll share quick tips and a short promo. Check the description for the link and other deals related to today's recipe. Thanks for the support and snacks. Now let's get back to the video. Grease and line your pan, then preheat to 350 degrees F for stable baking. Whisk dry ingredients separately from wet, then combine until just mixed to preserve tenderness. Gently fold in the drained fruit salad so pieces remain intact, pour the batter into the pan, and smooth the top. Bake for 30 to 40 minutes, check with a toothpick, then cool before frosting. I'll show frosting and serving ideas next.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.